In this video, we're going to explore several different types of tags from within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. We're going to take a look at headings, list items, link tags, table tags, and figure tags. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. So it's important to understand that accessible PDF documents consist of tags. That's like the main takeaway. Tag elements provide important semantic information for things like headings, list elements, and other items. In addition to that, tags control the reading order for like 90% of assistive technology. Additionally, they hold things like the image descriptions and form field information. The image on this slide represents a screenshot from the tags panel of Adobe Acrobat, where we have several different tag types, including figure, part, heading 1, and paragraph. Next, I want to talk about the parent-child tag anatomy. All tags should have contents. They come in at least a pair, and the tag label hangs out like a present tag. This is the parent tag, and the box is the content information or the child tag. Now in this example, we have the parent figure tag highlighted, and it hangs out all the way to the far left in terms of the indentation. Now, one tag equals one parent and one child. In this example, we have the child container element, and if you notice, it's nested and it is indented. The child tag highlighted on this slide actually has a content box icon, but it can also have a tag icon depending on the type of container element that it is. Next, we're going to talk about a tag breakdown. If a tag is not properly categorized, it's going to fail accessibility checks and be confusing to its users. Here is a brief explanation of what each tag represents. We first have the P tag or body text. We have H1 through H6 for headings. We have the L tag, LI, LBL, and L body for our list elements. We have our figure tag for images. We have table row, table header, and table data. And then for our links, we have the link and a link object reference. Additionally, we have references and notes. We have section, part, and arts, and these are purely decorative tags. And then finally, we have our TOCI and TOC, or our table of contents elements. So let's take a further look into our heading tag breakdown. Number 1 of this screenshot represents the parent tag, or the H1 element. Number 2 is the child container element, which is the actual text. And then number 3, according to the screenshot, is the actual text on the page. Next up, we have a figure tag breakdown. Number 1, indicated by the screenshot, is the parent figure tag. Number 2 is the image container element, and number 3 is the actual image on the page. Next, we have a list tag breakdown. Now, list tags are a little more complex. Number 1 of our screenshot is the parent L tag. Number 2 is the first list item child tag, or LI tag. Number 3 is the LBL, or the label tag. Number 4 is the list body child tag, or L capital B L body. Number 5 is the actual contents of the first item in the tags panel. And then number 6 is the list item content on the page. This is the full list item. Now on the bottom of this slide, I have a little breakdown of what the tag structure looks like from within the tags panel. We have an L tag followed by a list item tag, and every list item has 2 tags. We have the LBL and the L body, and then we have the child container element. Next, let's look at the link tag breakdown. Number 1 of the screenshot, we have a parent P tag. Number 2, we have a link tag just represented by link. Number 3, we have the link object reference. This tells the computer that it is clickable and engageable. Number 4 is the link text on the screen. So in this example, we have Ibeku, and it's wrapped inside of a span tag because of the blue font and the underline. And then number 5 is the actual hyperlink on the page. Now, important note with links, link tags cannot be only a parent tag. They must always be nested inside of another structural element. Next, let's look at a table tag breakdown. Table tags are a little complicated too. We first have our table parent tag represented by table. Number 2 is our child tag or table row. Number 3 is table header cell or TH. Number 4 is table data cell or TD. And then we have number 5, the actual table on the page. So every table has table rows, and every table row has either a table header cell or a table data cell. If it's a table header, there's a little extra work to do. If it's a data cell, it simply needs to be connected to the header. That concludes today's introductory lesson on a variety of basic tag types. If you want to take a deep dive into learning how to make your PDFs accessible, join my exclusive community where we have self-paced courses and direct access to yours truly. To find out more information about how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.